Hi guys, welcome. Okay, we will be discussing on types of analysis. Okay, and in my next video, I'll be talking about exploratory data analysis related to data science or data analysis. Okay, so in types of analysis, we have descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Okay, and descriptive is business intelligence and data mining. Okay, predictive is forecasting. So before something is going to happen, before that itself, we will say that is forecasting. Okay, prescriptive is optimization and simulation. Okay, so now next we'll try to understand what is descriptive analysis. Like business intelligence and data mining. Okay, we look at data analysis past events. Okay, we are and as to how to approach the future. See, for example, we have a bunch of data. We will take that history of the historical data and we will sit and analyze what has happened in the future. Okay, based on that past, we will take the future decisions. Okay, and we also, for example, if you have a business and that business was successful or it was a failure, we can analyze the past performance and come to know whether it was a success or a failure and why was it successful or why was it failure. Okay, this is mostly related, like it's something like a post-mortem which is taking place after something has taken place already. So that's why we take the historic data, and this is after something has happened. Okay, already data is existing for that. Okay, so normally like this takes place in with respect to the management, where the reporting of sales, marketing, operations, finance and all will be analyzed. Okay, so why the sales is less. Okay, why we are left out with less money. Okay, how do we increase the income flow, how do we capture the market, something like that. So what is the best we can do to become competitive in the market, how can we overcome our competitors, all those analysis. We will take the competitors data also and we will take our data also. Okay, we can see their pricing, we can see our pricing. Okay, we can see the class of our customers, we can see the class of their customers. Okay, and to which class we are catering. Okay, these are all some basics. Okay, descriptive analysis examines historical electrical usage. Okay, and we can help to plan the power. Okay, and etc. So what happens in predictive analysis? As I told you, it is forecasting. Okay, we use data to determine the probable future. Okay, next, so we use variety of statistical techniques like data modeling, machine learning, data mining, game theory. Okay, we analyze the current historic facts to make predictions for the future. Okay, so in descriptive we were taking the historic data and we were analyzing why it failed. Here in predictive we will take the historic data, we will analyze and we will see why we failed and how we can improve in future also. Okay, this helps in optimizing customer relationship management also. Okay, this is one example. Helps in exposing patterns that predict customer behavior. Okay, prescriptive analysis. So this is mostly related to optimization and simulation. See, automatically synthesizing big data, mathematical sciences, business rules, machine learning to make predictions and then suggest decision options to take advantage of the prediction. Prescriptive analysis goes beyond predictive future by also suggesting actions to benefit from the predictions and show the decision makers the implication of each decision options. See, example is energy and utility. Natural prices like natural gas prices are fluctuating dramatically. So depending upon supply, demand, econometrics, geopolitics and weather conditions. See, these are few analytical verticals in which we can analyze why the prices are fluctuating. Okay, so don't forget my next video, which is going to be on exploratory data analysis, which is the first step in analysis. Okay, as soon as you take the historic data, okay, you do exploratory testing before doing anything on that, or exploratory data analysis. Thank you guys, you're all winners. Okay, if you're happy, okay, give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you like to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys, you're all winners.